Hey YouTubers, what's up? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. It is that time of year again. Everyone is going through so much windshield wiper fluid. I was watching the Weather Channel today and it is forecast to snow, which means a few things. Snowy roads, slushy roads, icy roads, slick roads, slippery roads, salty roads. And you put all those weather conditions together and next thing you know, you literally cannot see out your front windshield. So in this video, all we're going to talk about is how to get the best bang for your buck when going to your local store and purchasing windshield wiper fluid. And the product I recommend is a 2-in-1 Rain-X brand windshield wiper fluid. This is going to give you the most benefits for your money. And again, the brand is Rain-X windshield washer fluid. This is a 2-in-1 solution all season, and it's good all the way down until negative 25 degrees Fahrenheit. That is very cold. So the last thing you want is to buy a cheaper brand that will end up freezing at a warmer temperature. That's not cool, because when it's freezing cold and you've got salty, icy, slushy roads and you can't see out your windshield, you're going to need this solution to work and not be frozen inside that reservoir. So let's talk about the 2-in-1. On the left side, it's blue. On the right side, you can see green. Let's talk about the blue portion. Removes light, snow, and ice and helps repel road spray. Obviously, that is the cold weather side. Hop into the opposite side. This is the warm weather side where you get bugs, and it powers off bugs and road grime. And the way it does that is it applies the water beading technology. And what that is, it's a built-in feature in the solution. Once it's applied, it creates a coating that is very difficult for bugs to stick to. So when they hit the windshield, they'll bounce right off. And that's pretty cool, because the last thing you want is a windshield full of bugs. Now moving on to the actual directions, this is very important. Directions say fill windshield washer reservoir with Rain-X 2-in-1 windshield washer fluid. Do not dilute. It is already pre-mixed and ready to go. If you dilute this in any form, it will interfere with the actual solution and its efficiency of working. It also goes into the first aid and danger of the chemicals, so do not drink this, do not splash this in your eyes. Be very careful with this solution as you insert it into the reservoir in your car. Back to the front. Again, this is your best bang for your buck. It is a 2-in-1 solution and you're going to get the most for your money. And as I mentioned earlier, now is the time of the year where this solution will come in very handy. The forecast for this afternoon says that the snow is coming. You can see the lake is iced over. So we want to make sure this is properly installed in our reservoir and topped off. In the event that you have never ever filled your windshield wiper container inside your actual car, in the next video what we will do is walk you through the steps on how to do that. So scrolling above, you'll see a link. Go ahead and click on that and join us at the next video as we run you through the steps on how to do it. That's it. I hope the video helped. Hey, do us a favor. Below this video there is a thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notifications, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again. We'll see you at the next video.